was a friend when you makwaba, you have a chance na fe yedi enkomo ahodo. And some of the to dwa, you have a chance na fe yedi enkomo ebi and say NPP mrashe bedwani a wo gina mama de hia ewo anya so tium abato mpesua so. Yewura Dr. Dixon Adomako kisi ana kase. Ne some of the to dwa nyina say NPP amanyoko no e free afi 2016 yeto abamo mo ye hwe bosha ahodo mampani adan kwakufu ado. Wo hye ye free say NPP amanyoko no ba policy ahodo a omodi kan first 4 years a bit is say free SHS sanso ana nurses allowance teachers allowance no any allowance and kakra o mampanyina dan kwakufu do tua de ma adesuafo ne akyerkyerefo wonu ma na agentity ne mo allowance no ya de ade ano saa nyoma ne nyina na de ka ade abro man konkro Ghana enu ti enenam so ama VAT ana se eto ahodo a say aban no titiro ene electricity say ya VAT to ato so no ni nyina ka ho anti anama wampanyina dan kwakufu do ne MPP aban say omode sa eto ato to VAT na so omode eto ato electricity eto ewo abonten wampanyina de nsempina na ana de ato dwa efasa ensem na obusia yenko ne nti ensem odo Yewura Dr. Dixon Adomako kisi wode ato edwane yeba betena se na fe yedi eho enkomo.
Government runs on taxes and loans. It's as simple as that. And I think that in hindsight, and hear me out, I'm speaking for Ghana. In hindsight, we did away with some taxes, and we had bold projects or bold government expenditures. And the two were not in synchrony. Because at any point in time, when government is taking on major programs, I mean, the likes of free SHS, the likes of Agenda 111, the likes of the SHS, the STEM schools that Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has built, the big hospitals, including La General, which now I know is ongoing, then the onus is on you to find money for these major projects. So I think that we started off in 2017 removing a lot of taxes or tax burdens on the average Ghanaian, whilst we still had very powerful government projects, including roads. And when you have those two going on, where government expenditure is huge and revenue or mobilization of revenue is reduced, then you have this asynchrony, or as it is, not enough coming in to address your government expansion or expenditure. I can even add the likes of nursing school allowance or training allowance and all these other, let me say, interventions that the NPP thought of were very important at the time. So as it stands now, the truest thing I can say is the fact that government took on many audacious programs or projects without necessarily gathering enough revenue to address those projects. And we are at a point where we've, in a way, chewed more than we can swallow. And without a doubt, we are feeling the brunt of it. And there's only one way out to, as it is, bring ourselves back up. And that is to go back to the revenue generation or mobilization aspect. And I believe that the average Ghanaian will agree with me that, listen, let's squeeze a little so that we can have our lights on. It's better than not squeezing at all and having no light. And that is the situation we're in. It is painful. I said that this is a topic that I am so, I don't know what to say. It's a difficult topic to broker. And I feel the average Ghanaian's situation. But what can I do? Is you said surgical precision. sometimes you literally have to amputate somebody to save their lives. And in a way, if I'm saying this in a medical way, then we're amputating Ghanaians, available income and what do you call that? Disposable income, so that we can sail and arrive at the shore in one bit.
I was afania yekotie ye doctor Dixon Adomako Kisi ono aye mrashe bedwani awojama de hia ewo anya so tuom abato empesua so nene ana echogu ye ba betena sena fe ye de ne nsem no enso eho enkomo na ye ni nkomo
kasa bi ho nche ukonya sema nyama sompa akuma mu de ne Doctor Dixon Adomako Kusi ne akasa sembe papa no
oh okay
ona de bi am kana asa
enya so tuom no oh okay
I know who do you ni kama sa
was it NPP amanyoko no 2016 no mobile bo she mo share say umema nurses any training allowances no
2017
yes teacher training allowances no money ade any free SHS no eno na ma ede e kade abre o man na no nti omode eto ahodo etoto aye titiro any electricity asese eto ewo montene eso o say
obi suma o so omonye ade a omontumi nye anasa dia muntumi
osono munu so betimi tu ko kasese won be shock COVID-19 na Russia no Ukraine
ana me chese so kan kasa COVID-19 ni Russia Ukraine
o ko kasese asa na be
ka no a amade toto so no makada na mesaka one of the most unthinkable approach our company His Excellency Nana Addo Kofi Addo and say several flashy programs. Then so we decided say baako umu money consuming, and no the bayeduma, which is the free SHS. Flashy programs be wash a Ghana football be. But a boss now we share be no be able to say you are a disikaba, a bisu or a risika, free SHS, a risika. Hey. No man mu nyina for yan kwala kosi akwalaba ne nkwanta secondary school bi obia yitua school fees amano free asanso amana book free asam na didi free you think say a small thing ntinanka any sensible government and thinking government they also call it say one district one factory aka hamaho o first time now o first year na obaye no ma o focus enko ho because already a investment venture enwa edisika beba na edisika na ye nyama foforo planting for food and job and also adwuma investment enwa edisika ya deben ebeba na wanye we nyina na o decide say obeye de edisika ekoshemu a ensa mabiem no because what promise Ghana for entiende muntumi nsa na amu du aburu ni meka nkyere yen se saa ne ma na amodisika ko hye ebiri ntina ama ahokyeraba of course obi enim se saa ne ma no ene de ahokyeraba na won kokoye ne sebe o predu asanti we have the men ene ade na mo kan nyina no nti men na ntumi antranse ehunu se saa de we ya ye kwa the first time in our yes, first year in our first term in office no. So bone baba. To be ntumi anya sebe sa adwene no. Ema wan tuma mpani fo. Anase mpo etuma mpani ne fo. Ena no anso ane ho kanka bi ana. Yeti America sa ne say MPs about 80 of them. Ekoma mpani ekufu ando san konso furiata. Emo ansesa ne ntina melen kede akoma na so mpani no. Obi kan na wenti ana. Ntiende Dr. Adomako Kisi wayeme papa o twa me abo ya watwe medi ensem na oka no ayade a ede nanso so no sebe asama oka yi omo amutimbo bew ATB party for ATB from party's perspective ena Ghana for bianso uti nti de na bimbo bibia de oka they will be asking questions Sabana saying a Kobana, sir, because he knew free SHS wasn't a small thing. And yet a juma a yisika ketu a juma yo. Nchinanka the year the American Kenya planting for food and job. One this one factory nanka and Kofi Ebemuno and I see Kebemuno ni yibi koye SHS free SHS, yes, which is the second year in your term, which is the same thing because okay na just buy abanabe nto mo na pe omo jadodo na omo ya achichide edi nsuo efrem ma o.
All right, I'm saying for comment section as like share na fufro as so enye bi enhwe yakra mo.